Now I will show you how to make the extended double crochet stitch, but because we are at the beginning of the row, we need to start with a standing extended double crochet stitch. So just like for the standing double crochet stitch, we pull up a loop, yarn over with the loop, pick up one loop from the stitch, chain one, and then finish the double crochet by yarn over and pull through two twice. Then we yarn over, go into the next stitch, pick up a loop, and instead of doing the regular yarn over pull through two, we first have a chain. Now we have yarn over pull through two, yarn over pull through two. This is the extended double crochet stitch, and it's a bit taller than the double crochet stitch, but it's not as tall as the treble crochet stitch. I will show you the difference right now. This is the treble, and you can see it's much taller.